What's up with it, y'all? God bless everybody. So today been going all right so far. I went and paid the rent and what else? Took care of other little bills. Got my baby some clothes. Uh, got my truck towed to the shop. Finna go back up there and give them like half down on the port. Give them the other half Friday. If God will. Here come the wife back out from her job. She's done a TB test. So everything going all right, man. But I still need for y'all to pray for me and keep it going. You know what they say?
I gotta keep it to get my next TV first.